guys, welcome back. Super quick video today. I'm going to show you how to stop your MX5 leaking in between showers of rain. There's two really simple things that you can do to stop the rain leaking where the roof meets the windscreen and where the roof meets the windows. Now this will work on pretty much any convertible, but this is for a Mark 1 or a Mark 2, specifically MX5. I did a quick video on my Instagram the other day saying how smug I was to be sat in my car and watching the raindrops going down the outside of the glass, not the inside. And I got so many comments and questions from people saying, how do you stop that? Because my car is leaking like a sieve, that I thought I'd do this quick video. First thing is inside. So on the Mark 2 and I think on the Mark 1 you've got these two handles which pull the roof down. Now make sure that these are tight enough. If you go to like put the roof in or latch the roof and there's hardly any resistance at all, like these were really loose and it was actually leaking in here and leaking down here and there was no resistance, which means when you push the handle forward you're not really pulling the roof tight. Excuse the state of my hands, I've been working on some other cars. So what you need to do, undo the latch, and then this in here, hopefully you can see this. What you need to do is you need to tighten this bolt here, which means you need, I had no thread sticking out the bottom here, which meant it was really loose, but now I have got some thread sticking out the bottom. What you do is you pop this rubber plastic even collar down, which stops it like coming undone, and then wind this either up or down. One side goes one way, one side goes the other way. If it was really loose you could be able to do it with your fingers. This is a bit tighter now, but I was basically tightening this up just with my fingers. I was sat in the garage because I had water pouring in here and I tightened this up at the garage, and basically tighten this whichever way you got to go to get some thread sticking out here, then put this like a little locking collar back to stop it coming undone, and then that should be tight, and then do exactly the same the other side. Again, that I've got like a few threads sticking out here and that makes that tight when you latch the roof. Now you should only have water dripping in here if the door's open. If you've got water dripping in there and it's going down there with the door shut, then there's water getting in here, which there shouldn't be. Now I've adjusted that latch here, that's then pulled all of this and this rubber seal here onto that and stopped water getting in there. If you've got water coming down there with the door shut, you shouldn't. You need to adjust this. The other thing that I've done as well is like a bonus tip. I've poked a little rubber straw, I think that's a bit of brake bleeder hose down there just to keep this open, because otherwise when the door's shut and that presses on that like that, I think the water was backing up and then it was coming out inside. So there you go, that's one. The second tip is to get some silicone grease. You can use Vaseline, but if you're already driving an MX5, going and asking for some Vaseline is already questionable. Mainly, it doesn't last as long. So get some proper silicone grease, and then that's what it looks like. And then put it on every mating surface where the rubber trim is. So I've just unlatched this. So basically, let me pull this out of the way, hang on. So basically all the way along this rubber windscreen, you can see it's slightly shiny because it doesn't dry out. I put Vaseline on here before and it lasted, I don't know, a couple of weeks, and then it dries out and goes tacky. This is still slippery. So literally go all the way along here and then all the way down here and all the way up here. And when you pull the roof over, see if I can hold it in this position. No, it's not going to stay there. And then basically all the way along here, this is actually worn off where the window's been going up and down, but you want to go all the way down here and all the way around, and where those gaps are, so where that separates, you want to get a load of it on your finger and get it in there and in there to seal in between there and there, because that will also stop the rain weeping in. When this is clamped and your window's up against that, that will stop your water, that will stop the rainwater weeping in there as well. Also, if you need to, shuffle these all the way along so that they meet this if they're miles away, but that's kind of, that's on my other video. And then when that's down and all clamped up tight, see, it's a nice bit of resistance on there. It doesn't want to be like busting tight, but it wants to be tight enough. And there you go, it's two little quick tips just to stop the rain leaking in there and there and there. I've done another video where I've done all the drain holes. I'll put a link in the description for that. All the drain holes there and in the front and in the boot, how to stop the rain getting in your boot through your rear lights, all of that. I've done that in a separate video. But before I get another shower of rain, I'm going to disappear, like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.